Hi, welcome to the CrafteeManatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a heart in just 5 minutes. This heart is the same heart that's featured in my Valentine's Day bear pattern, so you can use this heart for all kinds of different things, including this little Valentine's Day bear. Here are the materials you're going to need to crochet this heart. You'll need 5 grams of worsted weight yarn in any color. I chose to use red. A 4mm crochet hook or the letter G, and you'll need scissors and a tapestry needle to weave in the ends at the very end of your project. Alright, let's go ahead and start crocheting our heart. This pattern is worked in just 3 rounds, so it's super quick to make and can easily be made in under 5 minutes. This pattern does assume that you have a basic understanding of crochet, so if you are new to crocheting, feel free to pause the video at any time to look up different terms that I use. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started. To start crocheting our heart, we're going to make a magic ring and make 6 single crochet stitches into the center of the magic ring. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go ahead and pull that yarn tail to close up the magic ring and make a slip stitch into the first stitch here to close everything up. Alright, for the next round, we are going to work 1 increase stitch in every stitch around. So we're going to go from having 6 stitches to having 12. So we'll go ahead and work that 1 increase in every stitch around. Now we have 12 stitches around, and the next round is where we are going to start seeing the heart form. So right now we just have that center circle part of the heart, so you can see in the middle. And this next round is where we are going to be working the top of the heart and the bottom to give it its heart shape. So we are going to go ahead and work 5 double crochet stitches all in the next stitch. So this next stitch here, we are going to work 5 double crochet stitches all within that stitch. Now we are going to skip 1 stitch and slip stitch in the next. So we're going to skip that stitch and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch after that skipped stitch. I'm going to work 1 slip stitch, and now we are going to skip a stitch again and work 5 double crochet stitches all in the next stitch. So we'll skip this one and work 5 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. As you can see, the top of the heart is starting to form. We have the 2 bumps, and now we just need to work on getting that bottom pointed. So we're going to work 3 single crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches. Alright, now we are going to start working on that bottom point of the heart. So we are going to work 1 single crochet stitch and then chain 3. Now we will slip stitch into the first chain that we just made. So slip stitch back into that chain and work another single crochet stitch in that same stitch. that we worked the first one in. And now you can see we've created a little bit of a point there. Now we'll work 3 single crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches. And now we will fasten off our yarn. So just go ahead and cut that yarn tail and fasten off, and you've created your heart. Now all we have left to do is to tuck in all of these yarn tails. So we are going to thread the yarn through our needle and start sewing in the end. I like to flip it around so that the yarn is tucked in on the back side of your project. And I just insert it through a few of these little stitches back here. And I do that 3 times. So I go in one direction, turn around and go in the other direction, and then I turn around again and go in the same direction that I did the first time. This helps just make sure that that yarn tail is not going to come out, and it just makes it very secure. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for that starting yarn tail as well. And now all we have to do is cut those yarn tails. And we have our completed heart in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a crochet heart in just 5 minutes. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to see more crochet patterns like this. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at @CrafteeManatee, and you can find all of my patterns on Etsy, Ravelry, and Rippler. Thanks for watching. Bye.